Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw car for kids. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Line like that. From here, draw same line. Now from here, go straight like that. Take a small straight line, draw another circle. Now I am making some grasses and flowers. Now draw sun. I am using deep blue. Now I am using deep green. Top of the grass I am using yellow. And at last I am using yellow. For the shading and outlining I am using black. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita.